This great 2009 Dodge Ram 2500 has been detailed and is now ready for the road. This 4-door crew cab long bed truck has comfortable khaki cloth 40/20/40 bench seats, and is equipped with a responsive 6.7-liter inline 6-cylinder 12-valve engine, an effortless transmission, and has the control of 4-wheel drive. Its electronic features include a trip computer and a computer that displays the vehicle's average fuel consumption and its range, based on its remaining fuel. This vehicle keeps your safety in mind with child safety locks, a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system and 4 ventilated disc brakes. Please contact our professional sales staff today to schedule a test drive.